Alright, this is a retake of the Not-so-Scenic elevator, and I think this is 2345 Bee Ridge Road in Sarasota, Florida. Let's just watch the indicator. As you can see, you really can't see out. Here we are too. That's what you should have seen. Anyway, we're gonna go back to one. Oh, there's a look up the shaft. Oh, wow. You can actually see down the shaft as well. Might get a better look that way. But anyway, let's go to one. Here's the certificate. Here's the phone. And here's the cab. Let's take it for one more ride. Now let's look out the glass. The so-called scenic view. Actually, we're gonna get a view from the other side this time. Not really any different, but I just thought I'd show you. Here's the call station. GAL call stations, GAL fixtures. And I'm not sure what kind of elevator this is, but I'm willing to bet that this is either a general or a Florida elevator. I'm not sure what that is. That's like a seat cushion or something up there. Here we are at one. Let's see if we can see it going up. You probably can't really see anything. Nope, you can see it actually. Alright, that'll be it.